Let's go. Back early, it rained. I went and got a big boy for these big boys. Let's go. Let's go. Won't get me. Everything must come in. He ain't that nice. He ain't that big, but he's a start for the day. Start for the day. Try to get away. Get over here, little boy. Ain't no getting away from me. Got the big net this time. I got the big net this time, guy. Let's go. Catch it with Kareem, baby. With the new net. Let's go. Let's weigh him up. Let's weigh him up. Come on. Let's weigh him up, yeah. Let's weigh him up real quick. Oh, yeah. Earl. Earl. Earl, this how we coming? Earl. Oh yeah. Yes, this how we coming. Early in the morning. Trying to get on my line, buddy. You gotta know. Catch it with Kareem, if not me. Then who? Let's go. That's why I got up. I let you relax. You in a big net. You can't do nothing to me. Relax, buddy. Calm down. Get back in here. Get this out your mouth real fast. There you go. He done flapped the Georgia. He done flapped the Georgia. Let's go. Get over here, buddy. Get over here, buddy. See what you are. I got the new scale. Just to let you know, I got the new digital one. I got to put the battery in it. Oh, wait a minute. That guy's a what? That guy's a 7. That guy's a 7. If not me, then who? Let's walk him back. Let's take him on back in. Let's go. First one of the day. It's a 7-pounder. Catching with Kareem. If not me, then who? Let's go. Oh yeah, this how we coming. Early morning, Monday morning. Getting back in the water. You want to release him back. Got him going. If not me, then who? Let's go. Let's go.